Let's discuss vorticity dynamics and circulation. Hello everyone. First, let's define a vortex. A vortex is a concentrated region of vorticity. Let's discuss the vorticity transport equation. By taking the curl of the Euler equation, it can be shown that the partial derivative of omega with respect to t plus u.grad of omega equals omega.grad of u. Now let's move on to circulation. Given a velocity field u and a closed curve c in space, the circulation of the flow around the curve c, where ds is tangent to c, is defined to be gamma, which equals the line integral over c of u.ds, where ds is an element of arc length. Note that ds equals t ds, where t is the unit tangent to the curve and ds is the increment of arc length. Next, let's discuss the relationship between vorticity and circulation. Consider a closed curve C in the xy plane with A the region enclosed by C. Using the definition of circulation and Stokes' theorem, the circulation is gamma, which equals the line integral over C of u.ds, which equals the double integral over A of the curl of u dot k dA, which is equal to the double integral over A of omega dot k dA.
As ever, thank you for watching.